This is the creepiest thing I've ever seen on a hike. Why is there so much blood on this trail?
So we recently went on this hike in northern Idaho to see some fall colors, and everything was going great until we started noticing spatters of blood on the trail. I thought maybe the hiker up ahead had gotten a bloody nose or something, but as we kept hiking there was more and more blood on the trail, off to the side of the trail, and even up in these trees, like specifically these yellow trees, nothing else. It went on for over 3 miles. It majorly creeped us out, and I don't know if it was like red sap or actually blood or something else, so if you have any ideas, please let us know in the comments.